What up, you guys? This is day 15. You are officially halfway through the entire challenge. Whoop, whoop, whoop. In today's smoothie, we have more greens and fruit, as I'm sure you can already imagine. So let's throw it in, make our quart, and get on with our day. In go the greens. Parsley goes in, stems and all. We're gonna throw our pineapple in next. Lemon with peel, minus the seeds. In my repetition, my hope is that these lessons that I'm teaching you really stick. They become second nature. And then when you go to make your 15th smoothie, you'll all of a sudden feel like, wow, I really know what I'm doing. If that happens, I win. My job is done. Half an apple with seeds. And one banana to finish it off. And I almost forgot, water. Oops. Now this is a true green smoothie. Look at that color. That's pretty green. On this day, I salute you because you're halfway through. That's a huge achievement.